show you how to change the PTZ channel for the TVIPTZ-AL2IR18XME. Now, the reason you'd want to do this is if you're using the RS485 cables for PTZ control rather than control over the cable. So this would be useful if you're using, say, a PTZ controller like the one that we sell, the C-Bell PTZ controller. And this would make it so that you're not controlling more than one camera at once. If you have multiple of this camera and they're all set to channel 1, you would be controlling every camera at the same time. So what we need to do is make sure that each camera is on its own PTZ channel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull up the on-screen display for the camera. And to do that, you're going to open up your PTZ controls, expand this menu, and we are going to call PTZ preset 95. As you can see, that's going to open up our OSD menu. So now you want to go down to Dome, and then you want to go to COM. And so here, what you want to do, in order to get down to the target ID, which is what we want to change, you need to make this check ID number match the device ID number. So I'm going to hit right to activate that. Now we've made the numbers match. Hit right again. And then hit left. And now you'll see the cursor is down on exit. So you can move up to your target ID, hit right. And now you can change that ID number. So you want to make sure it's different on each one of these cameras if you have more than one that you're going to be controlling over RS485. So once you're done making your changes, hit left, go down to save, hit right, and that should be it. And you'll notice the change will be reflected right here. And to close this menu, just call PTZ preset 94. And there you go.